Hey YouTubers, outdoor guy here. Gonna do a little tree trimming today. Got a dead tree behind the house. Gonna test out this new Ryobi chainsaw that I got. See if it's any good and see how it goes. Hopefully I won't cut my arm off. Gas powered. Thought about going with battery powered, but it was better. Had this tree out here, I cut part of it down a year or two ago. Just got some vines growing on it. It's kind of dying out, so I'm gonna cut it down and make it into firewood for some of the camping adventures that we got. Save it, but too late for it. So now we're going to cut it down really easy, not hit anyone.